Look at what one of my friends, Claudia, we get together and we talk about the today's special values, and she's like, okay, this is the one that everybody needs to buy and they need to stock up on because it's the best gift ever. Cheers, my dear friend,
I adore you.
I love you more, and I missed you.
Where have you been?
Yay, right.
She didn't even know my last name. That's how long it's been.
I know, but you can call me Jane Rudolph and I will answer to that as well. Brand new today, here's Tara Tescher, who created warmth and a coziness and a bringing us back around the table through Temp-tations. I mean, when I think of all the memories that have been made, I'm not going to look at you because I'm getting a little teary-eyed here. Yep. All the memories that I've made with my family and my family members, thanks to Temp-tations. I don't know, I can't imagine my life without it. My nephew came to a party this summer. My nephew, who's 30, and he said, Aunt Jane, isn't that Temp-tations? I'm like, yes.
You're like, how do you know that?
But here we are with the last look at really the best gift of the year and also the final Temp-tations today's special value. We've sold 120,000 since you kicked this off with Alberti last night. One of our choices, right?
We lost
already
it.
gone.
The new pattern.
One is gone. And you did a lot of new this year, didn't you, Tara, with Temp-tations?
Yeah, which I love. And you know what I love about this is this was brought back. This was something we debuted this time last year, wildly popular. And instead of bringing it back in the 14 ounces that we originally did it in, we supersized it. We brought it back in 16 ounces. But we gave you your iconic characters. And that's what I want to talk to you about, Jane. First of all, these are our winter whimsy characters. You wait for them. They're only available this time of the year. And then when they're gone until this time next year. We actually had the customers name these.
Oh, this is so cute.
This is Mr. Bojingles. He's adorable. Not only is he on the front, he's also on the back. And as you take that tour around and look at that mug, you'll see that there's hand painting detail, hand applied accents on every single place you look. Pedestal base there on the bottom, nice oversized handle on the side, and all of that intricate hand painting and detail. Then we have, of course, Gumdrop. Don't let me forget to mention there's a cardinal with all of our whimsy characters.
Yay.
Jane and I will tell you why that's so special for both of us. But whenever you see a whimsy character, there's always a cardinal. So if you have someone that you're gifting, that you two have a connection with a cardinal, how sweet to give her one of the whimsy. Down here we have Penny. This is our penguin. She's
Penny
got
the penguin.
Pink little cheeks, so cute in her old world scarf. And also she's holding, of course, that cardinal. And last but not least, even the big guy has the cardinal there on his hat. And again, I love that each character, each mug, specifically meant to be gifted or to keep.
And I'm a terrible rapper. I love Christmas. I'm a lousy rapper. I really am. It's already wrapped. It's already bowed. All you have to do is write to and from. And I don't know. I just think that for $6 a present, I was thinking of going to the mall with a $5 and a $1 bill.
Yes.
And aimlessly walking around to all the stores and saying, can somebody help me? I would never find anything like this. Now, this Winter Whimsy collection has been the most popular all day long. 1/3 of the quantity is left.
That's right.
Okay, and this 6 easy payment option on everything on air and online, we only have about 40 minutes left. This is 6 easy payments of $4.
Incredible.
And already 200 of you have picked them up. Okay, so let's move here.
Let's talk about the dots. I know Jane loves dots.
I collect these
I
in red and
love
blue.
this. First of all, these are our holiday dots. So they're in our holiday colors of that beautiful blue. Next door to that, we have, of course, our classic black. Like when you think of someone on your list that you just know absolutely loves polka dots, I love that we have the classic black and white. I love that we have the classic red and white. And I always love to say that's our holiday red and white. And then our green and white.
Oh my gosh.
How fun are these?
These are adorable, and it's the best shape ever. There's nothing better than holding a mug of warm whatever when it's like a cold night or you just feel like you're just coming down with something and you want to have that cozy moment. I said, Tara, you've nailed the shape of these.
Little chubby belly.
Yes, chubby belly.
Little chubby belly.
I love the polka dots because if somebody is celebrating Hanukkah or if you've got a birthday in January.
Who has that? Or February.
I don't know who those two people would be.
Besties.
Stock up, you guys, because this is $24. You made them bigger than last year. You kept the same price as last year, and you even gave us more options.
Which I love. And of course, we could never do a today's special value without including our two most iconic patterns, and that's our Old World and our Floral Lace, coming together in what we call our classic design, also in your holiday colors and the top colors in the collection of the blue, of course the black, I love that the boxes coordinate. We didn't just do a generic box. We really wanted these to be that perfect special gift. There's your red and there's your green. If you're new to Temp-tations, I just want to show you real quick our wheel of food.
Right.
Because I think you're thinking, okay, this is a mug.
Right.
Take a peek over here. This is a mug. All I'm going to do is drink out of it. So not true when it comes to Temp-tations, right? The fact that I'm going to give you the day in the life of a Temp-tations mug.
I love it.
Let's start first and foremost with our tea. Right? This is what, of course, you're thinking about. Water, tea, hot chocolate, coffee. But if you take a peek perfect overhead, we then move on to our mug cakes. We had a few of these available today.
I was watching Alberti and I realized there was going to be hardly any left for you and me to sample.
Exactly. We still might have one I can make.
400 left.
In the vanilla. You like vanilla, right?
I'll eat anything.
Same,
okay.
By the way. Here we have our caprese salad, so keeping cold things colder, longer. Here we have leftovers that we repurposed. We threw some butter and cheese on it, put it in the microwave, we're good to go. Canned soup that you bring to the office that you want to reheat, typically 14 ounces. Your cold fruit salad that you made in the morning, your takeout that you got out of that cardboard container, the cereal for the kids in the morning, the adult beverage in the evening, the hot fudge sundae every day, all day.
Thank you.
The oatmeal in the morning, and then, of course, our bacon mac and cheese. So when we talk about our mugs, not just being mugs, they're also bakers as well.
So 400
I'm gonna make you a mug
have
cake.
been ordered. Thank you, because there's 400 left that you can get. Over 400 of these have already been ordered. And I love the fact that you don't have to think. You don't have to think right now of who are you buying them for, right?
That's right.
Okay, we're making cake.
We're making a cake. You keep chatting.
Cake.
Don't mind me.
Okay, so you don't have to think of who you're buying this for. All you do is say, okay, what sets do I want? Because here's what's going to happen. You're going to get this home, and you're going to get one set, and you decide, oh, wait, I'll have to keep a couple of these for me. And then when somebody rings the doorbell and it's like, oh, hi, I brought you cookies, and you're like, oh, I don't bake. Then you'll be ready to gift for the holidays, for Christmas and beyond, if you get a couple sets of these, because we wait all year. It's the final Temp-tations, today's special value of the year. And in our winter whimsy little fellows and gals, a third of the quantities left. And that is the most popular that we've done all day long.
All right, you want to have some fun?
Yes,
Grab a mug off our mug tree.
Well, let me think.
This is so Jane, by the way.
Okay.
I was so excited for you to do this.
Thank you.
We have hot cocoa in here. Why don't we make a little hot cocoa?
Okay, I will.
Want to pour that in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
And by the way, I am in love.
How pretty is this
with
Christmas
these
tree?
figurals.
By the way, everything you see on this table, if you go onto QVC.com and just type in Tara Time, we've kind of curated a whole bundle so that you can see all of the pieces.
Can I do
Okay,
some
definitely some marshmallows.
Okay, gotta have some
Absolutely, check.
Okay.
Look at that crushed up candy cane. There's little chocolates you could melt in there.
That's what
That's
where I'm going.
That's what I love you.
And
That's
what
what I
is
love
that?
you.
What's in
That's a
here?
little cinnamon.
Oh, I'll put a little cinnamon.
Why not? I love that.
I love
little
cinnamon.
crushed candy cane. I mean, not that I'm like telling you how to make your hot cocoa or anything, but
I'm just like, can I have some cocoa with my marshmallows?
hey, you want some whipped cream?
Yes.
Well, stand back.
Okay.
Stand back. It's been that kind of day.
Oh, baby. All right,
Look
now I
at
got to
that.
put some sprinkles on top of
course
that.
you do.
Okay, now Tara has just made a beautiful memory for us.
Yes, see?
This Christmas time season.
fun?
That's what this is all about. And look what you can do at a party and how
Well,
much we
sure.
love to have
You
parties.
could set up a Keurig station and everybody could kind of help themselves. Maybe you have everybody staying over at Christmas. Lisa was saying earlier, like, how fun would it be to, of course, be able to everybody come down Christmas Day, Christmas morning, and grab their own holiday mug, and then that's their mug for the day.
And nobody, first of all, I love that because you're not doing 9 different dishwasher loads, right?
For sure.
Because this is my mug, it's not your mug.
Right.
And I'm going to be using this for the rest of the day.
I'm getting you your mug cake.
Okay, the mug cake is ready.
Drum
the
roll,
hot cocoa's
please.
ready. Oh my gosh. So these mug cakes have been crazy popular.
So here's what I want to show you first. This is our
this is
classic confetti, okay? So all we did was we put a little less than 2 ounces of water in there. We stir it all up. Do you smell that? Do you see it already pulling away from the sides?
Oh my gosh.
You want me to put a little caramel sauce on it?
Yes. Okay.
Let's do a little, did you know you were going to be eating this much? Now you can touch the handle, just don't put your hand under the bottom of the mug.
Yeah.
That'll be really hot. But I would love for you to tell me about the texture. I'd love for you to tell me about the moisture, the taste.
Gosh.
You
I
literally
was watching
can make
Alberti doing this earlier today. I'm so
you were
glad I
jealous?
finally get to do it. I was terribly jealous.
You literally can make 8 different desserts for less than $20 in your microwave in your mug.
I can't believe that.
Isn't that amazing?
I love to bake. I can't believe that just came out of a microwave. It's moist, it's delicious, and there are 400 left to go around. So should we show everybody? 'Cause
Absolutely.
This is our final
Let's do
presentation. What Tara's done. Okay, I have to tell you something. Tara Tescher created Temp-tations for QVC 17 years ago. And it's all about bringing people together and making memories. And every Christmas when you get, I mean, please get a set for you or more, and then get another set to gift, because you don't want to be left out in the cold. We've sold 19 million sets of your Temp-tations through the years, and this is the most popular. Our winter whimsy characters, a third of the quantity is left, and it's actually the most limited too, and we've sold over 125,000 all day long.
Incredible, right? And that's because of the fun, the charm of our characters. There's always someone you can envision gifting these to, whether it's someone that you know loves the snowman, someone that's playful and loves a gingerbread, someone down front who just absolutely has to have the penguins. Remember the detail all the way around the mug. That's what I love about Temp-tations, creating those memories, but of course never worrying about the quality, never worrying about putting it through the paces, the oven up to 500 degrees, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, microwave, etc. And then of course we have Santa. So those are your winter whimsy with the coordinated boxes.
1/3 of the quantity left.
That's amazing.
1/3 of the quantity left. Amazing. And then I'm just looking at these guys, and they all are, as you've always said, a family of colors. But there's something about polka dot and winter whimsy together that I am absolutely loving, because I always pile up mugs at our Keurig station, which is in the dining room. You've been there for parties.
Of course.
So, I mean, how cute is this? Like, my mother, my Ginny, used to say, you can't leave it there. So this is a set that you just can't leave here, especially when on your credit card, it's $4.
Amazing.
Yeah.
For a mug.
Yeah, and
that's also a baker.
Are already gone in the show, and in that winter whimsy, we are by far the most limited, with only 1/3 of our quantity left. Polka dots, though, have been flying out the door in this show. I know, me too.
Well, I think of you when I think of polka dots, because polka dots have been in fashion for years, right? They never go out of style. And so the fact that you can pop them on, especially in mugs, and try a new color, try something new, or as Lisa said, with daughters in her 20s, they gravitate towards the polka dot.
Right.
Like, that's something Kara would probably love, the polka dot, right?
Very big in fashion starting in 2020, so you're ahead of the curve. And certain mice really like to dress in polka dots too. I just
Red and white, I've heard. I mean, rumor has it. And I was her for Halloween.
Oh my
Did you know that? I'll show
I
you the pictures.
didn't. You have to text me pictures.
Okay.
And now this is something which I think is so brilliant, because I have Old World for many, many years at QVC.
And Santa Moro.
And Santa Moro, which was my very first set. And a million other, I can't even start. Don't even make me admit how many Temp-tation pieces I have. But now we have it with floral lace.
Yes, mixed together, which I love in our popular patterns. So when we talk about a family of colors, that's why our blues work together across the collections, whether it's polka dot, whether it's your whimsy, whether it's, of course, the classic. Your blacks work together. So again, mixing and matching and having fun with these pieces. Your red, of course, in your classic. Your green, of course, in your classic. Oven safe up to 500 degrees. What does that mean? We literally can make French onion soup.
Yep, you can.
Put it under the broiler, take it right out. And by the way, I love drinking soup out of a mug. Like, it's my favorite thing to do.
And there's just something about getting this wonderful chubby vessel in your hands, whether it is, you know, you're holding on to an ice cold beverage. I mean, maybe you love really, 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 they do this in Williamsburg. They serve beer in ceramic mugs. They do, and they're ice cold. So you could put this in the freezer and get it icy cold, and then pour a little bit of a nice favorite beverage in here and be like, cheers. So maybe give the polka dots to the favorite guy on your list, right?
Great idea.
With maybe like a subscription of the month, or even go and find like a cool collection. I mean, the only thing you don't want to do is leave this here, because we've sold 19 million sets of Temp-tations since Tara Tescher brought them to us. This is the final Temp-tation, today's special value of the year, and you can go to a store and spend $6 or $16 on a mug that does nothing. And this is not just a mug, it's so much more.
We were showing you the wheel of food. Can we walk over to the table?
I'd love to.
Because I think you'll love this. I'll go around this side. So look what we did here, where we used the mugs for our shrimp cocktail. So you can, to Jane's point, chill them ahead of time and bring them out right on your table, put a little cocktail sauce in the middle. Everybody has their own app. This could be French onion soup. These could be the mug cakes. So you literally can take them from apps to dinner to dessert, all in a mug. Something we don't think about, right? Then everybody can gift them. These could be the place card holders on the table.
That would be so
And when you're done, maybe it's the app, you wash them, they leave with them. you ever heard us talking about center-taining?
Oh, I love
So center-taining is about the center of the table for me becomes the runway for all of your memories, all of your traditions. So we tell you to leave them out all the time, but we never really show you how to do that. So I love the fact that we put a little cotton in here. We put some of our sprigs,
Really
and this
cute.
has now become our centerpiece of our holiday table. Our mugs.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect.
They are so whimsical, so sweet. Oh my gosh. And everything that you see that is Temp-tations can be found if you go to
That's right.
QVC.com.
And go to Terra Time.
Terra Time, and guess what? They will all be on 6 easy payments. Can we show down here?
Love this idea.
Because, okay, if you, like me, love a wow present,